Oh wow! Look at that! That's so... Wow! Yeah!
Money, what is that, money?
What is that, Amani? It's something in there.
Have a look, what is it?
It's a Winnie Pooh
It's
car.
not Winnie Pooh, but
It's a girl car. Ah, I can't open it. Can you open it?
What is it? Is it a Mini Cooper?
Yes.
What
It's a
colour do you
Winnie
think it
Pooh.
is?
Pink. I can open it. I can open it. Say it. Come on. Can you open it now? Inside the box it's a Mini Cooper. It's inside the box it's a Mini Cooper.
What colour Mini Cooper is it?
Pink!
Show us. Wow.
It's a pink.
What is it, Ollie?
It's actually a Mini Cooper S electric ride-on
Whoa!
for 3 to 7 years.
3 to 7! Yay! Oh wow! This is so fun! This is so fun, I can do that. Oh wow! I can see everything from here. Oh wow! This is so fun, let's make it! It's a Mini Cooper! Come on. Let's all make it out of the car. Yeah, let's make it together. So these are the steering wheels.
No, they're the wheels.
That's not nothing. And these are, I don't know, let's make it. This is the seat. Let's see. Woo! This is the driving wheel. This is the hiding wheel. And this is the car. This is the car bit. So let's make it. Let's make it. This is so fun making it. So let's put this. No. Hey, there's another big one. So let's put it in. Let's get this bit. Stick it out. Stick it out. Stick it. There. There. Go. Yeah. That's good. Yeah. Yeah. Now let's put the things on. Let's see what it is. This is going to be hard work. This will be hard work. Come on. Come on. That's a wheel. Fellas, if you don't help with the wheel, oh, it's not long enough. It's not long enough. Come on. Help! There's a little here. Help us. And take the sticky off. Oh! Take the sticky one. Let's just take these out.
At the end of the morning. So what do we have here?
What do you have here?
Are there 4 wheels? We have the car. Is that, what's that, money? Is that the remote control?
Yeah, that's one.
Wow. Are you going to control that car?
Hey, that's a wire.
You've got a charger.
Yeah.
We've got the window.
Yeah.
What else do we have?
Jungle.
We've got the seat.
I need some of this.
And we have the... Have we got the nuts and bolts?
Oh.
Oh, we need to do some fixing, don't we?
Yes.
We get this fixed today. Look at that. What's this? Is that the gear stick?
Wait, can you help me?
Is that the steering wheel?
Where's the value thing? Are you? No, sting the values on. Sting the values and then there.
What are you sat on the mommy?
Yeah.
Is it a Mini Cooper?
Yeah.
Is it a Mini Cooper S? Is it a sporty car? Take it for a drive. Drive outside.
Yes. I like to go outside.
Outside.
Yes.
You fixed it all.
Just to put it on. Did you put it on and on and on?
What did you fix the wheels?
Yeah. I'm gonna drive in outside and take. Can you take the plug off?
Charging. We're charging the top of it.
No, I want to go outside. I want to go outside.
What's that noise, man?
It's the Mini Cooper.
Oh, look at it, Tom. Just put that one. No, so